If you visited the vitamin and supplement aisle of your local health food store, or you shop on Amazon, you might be overwhelmed by the multitude of nerve support formulas on the market, with each one saying they're better than the next. So, how do you know which nerve formula is the best one? Do you choose your nerve formula based on which one is the cheapest? Or do you choose a nerve formula based on the claims the company is making about it? The answer is neither. It's important to realize that not all supplements are created equally. The reason people think supplements don't work is because in truth, a lot of them don't. If you don't know how to navigate in this confusing sea, you could end up spending your hard-earned money on a nerve support supplement that's completely ineffective. To avoid this, there are a few key things that you must know. The first question you need to ask is, does the nerve support formula you're getting ready to buy contain the proper ingredients? And are the ingredients in the appropriate therapeutic dosage? A therapeutic dose means, based on the research, the formula contains the appropriate amount of the ingredients that will allow nerve repair and regeneration to occur. Another thing you have to be on the lookout for is that most supplement companies will use less expensive ingredients to increase their profit margin. So how does this affect you? Well, supplements may not be as potent as it should be, and it may struggle to make it into the cell. This is called poor bioavailability. This translates into a nerve support formula that may not be very effective at all. Already feeling frustrated and confused? Don't worry. I'll help you navigate through all of this information and educate you on what to look for so you're not swayed by fancy marketing ploys. You'll be able to take one look at the label on the nerve support formula and you'll know for yourself if it's worth your money. So let's get started. First, let's become familiar with the critical ingredients for repairing damaged peripheral nerves. Many nerve support formulas will throw a whole bunch of ingredients into their formula to make it look impressive, but half the ingredients won't even help nerve repair. So here are the key nutrients that are a must-have to accomplish nerve repair and regeneration. Clinical studies have revealed that the following nutrients are critical when it comes to peripheral nerve repair. Those nutrients are R-alpha-lipoic acid, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin B9, L-citrulline, and acetyl L-carnitine. Now, when looking for these ingredients on the label, I want you to know that many of these nutrients come in two different forms. There's an inactive form, which won't be effective in repairing damaged peripheral nerves, and then there's the active form. The active form is the best form necessary for nerve repair. So let's look at each ingredient and identify which is the active form you want in your nerve support formula. Well, we'll start with the heavy hitter, R-alpha-lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are known for helping prevent cancer, heart disease, strokes, and nerve disease. Alpha-lipoic acid is available in two forms, R-alpha-lipoic acid and alpha-lipoic acid without the R. And there's a big difference between these two forms. R-alpha-lipoic acid is the natural form and it's the best form of alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA for short. What makes R-alpha-lipoic acid the best form? Well, it's already biologically active, meaning your body can use it immediately with ease and it readily gets absorbed into nerve cells. On the other hand, alpha-lipoic acid, without the R in front of it, it actually is a 50-50 blend of the synthetic form, also known as S-alpha-lipoic acid, and R-alpha-lipoic acid. The problem with this is that S-alpha-lipoic acid is inactive, meaning it won't do anything to repair the nerves. But worse yet, it can deactivate the good R-ALA that's in the formula and prevent it from ever being absorbed into the body. This would make it useless in the formula. So why are so many nerve support formulas using the alpha-lipoic acid without the R in front of it? One reason, it's a lot cheaper, and the supplement company is relying on the fact that the shopper isn't going to know the difference between the two forms and will buy their product because it costs less. R-alpha-lipoic acid is by far a better quality ingredient and highly effective to facilitate nerve repair. Any company using it in their formula will always list it on the label as R alpha lipoic acid because they have to pay more for this ingredient and they want you to know that you're getting the very best. So always make sure that the alpha lipoic acid has an R in front of it. Next, we'll look at vitamin B1, which also comes in two forms, thiamine and benfotiamine. When purchasing a nerve support supplement, B1 should only be in the form of benfotiamine, and here's why. Benfotiamine has a 5 times higher absorption rate into the nerve cells than thiamine, making it superior for nerve repair. This is because benfotiamine is a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1. This means it can be stored in fatty tissues, which is important because the outer protective layer of the nerve, called the myelin sheath, is made up of 70% fat. So the nerve cells can use the fat-soluble version of B1 or benfotiamine for repair, whereas thiamine is water-soluble, making it more difficult to penetrate a nerve cell. It also easily flushes out of the body. Next, we'll look at the type of vitamin B6 you need. B6 comes in 2 different forms as well. One form is pyridoxine HCl, and the other is pyridoxal 5-phosphate. The best form is the second form, pyridoxal 5-phosphate, also known as P5P. Let's take a close look at why you don't want pyridoxine HCl in your nerve formula. Pyridoxine HCl is a synthetic form of vitamin B6, and although it can't help peripheral neuropathy, there are 3 basic problems with using this form of B6. First, it can interfere with many prescription medications that people take. Secondly, the body can't use B6 in this form. Your body must convert pyridoxine HCl into a different compound to be used by the nerves, but many people don't have the ability to make the conversion in their body. Thirdly, and most importantly, taking B6 as pyridoxine HCl over long periods of time or in high dosages can actually cause more damage to your already damaged peripheral nerves. So, why do many companies still use this form? It boils down to one reason. It's cheaper and increases the company's profit margins. The safer and most effective form of B6 is pyridoxal 5-phosphate. This is the active form of B6, which is readily absorbed into nerve cells. This form won't interfere with any medications, and the body can tolerate extremely high dosages without causing any nerve damage. For instance, clinical studies have shown that you can take up to 7,000 milligrams daily without any problems. Now, no one will ever need this large of an amount, not even close, but that just shows how safe it is. The next critical B vitamin for your nerve support formula is vitamin B12. Like other B vitamins, B12 can also be found in 2 forms. You'll find either cyanocobalamin or methylcobalamin on the ingredient label. The only form you want is methylcobalamin. Methylcobalamin is the natural form of vitamin B12, and it's easily absorbed by nerve cells. Its quality is far superior to cyanocobalamin, and it can remain in the body for longer periods of time, allowing for better nerve repair. Cyanocobalamin, however, is the synthetic form of B12, and it's not found in nature. It contains a molecule of cyanide attached to it, which makes for poor absorption into nerves. On top of that, it's easily excreted into the urine and lost from the body. Another important B vitamin is B9. You'll probably recognize this by the name of folate or folic acid. These 2 names are often used interchangeably, but there's a big difference between them. Here's how to avoid confusion. When you look at an ingredient label, after the word folate or folic acid, next to it, you should see in parentheses one of these words: 5-methyltetrahydrofolate, quadrafolic or 6S-methyltetrahydrofolic acid glucosamine salt, or metafolate, 6S-methyltetrahydrofolic acid calcium salt. If you see this, it means that the nerve support formula is using the natural and correct form of B9, which is the best form because it's immediately available for use by the peripheral nerves. If you only see the word folic acid with nothing following it on the ingredient label, you're getting the cheaper synthetic form of B9. This is the wrong form, and our body can't even use it because it has to be activated in order to use. And 60% of the population lacks the necessary enzyme to activate this. That means that synthetic folic acid is ineffective and useless for nerve repair in 60% of neuropathy sufferers. Besides R-alpha lipoic acid and the B vitamins mentioned, there is still a few other ingredients that are crucial to peripheral nerve repair and function. Another key nutrient for nerve repair is L-citrulline. L-citrulline is a non-essential amino acid that's converted to L-arginine, which then produces nitric oxide. Nitric oxide improves circulation and blood flow, which is essential for delivering nutrients to the nerves. This is vital to maintaining the health of the peripheral nerves and giving it the ability to repair itself. Many companies will tout the ingredient L-arginine as being important for the production of nitric oxide, but this isn't the full story. It's true that L-arginine in the body will produce nitric oxide, but what many supplement companies neglect to tell you is that when you take an oral arginine supplement, like in the form of a capsule or a powder, the arginine gets broken down in the liver and will never be converted to nitric oxide. On the other hand, L-citrulline has the ability to bypass the liver, allowing it to then be converted to L-arginine, which will result in nitric oxide production. So what I'm saying is, in order to raise nitric oxide levels in the body and improve circulation and the delivery of vital nutrients to the nerves, your nerve support supplement should contain L-citrulline and not L-arginine. Now, the last vital nutrient for nerve health and repair that we'll cover today is called acetyl-L-carnitine. What makes acetyl-L-carnitine so important is that it has the ability to prevent peripheral nerves from damage, whether it's new damage or ongoing damage. So it can prevent nerve damage caused by chemotherapy without altering the effectiveness of the chemotherapy. Now, that's huge because 90% of patients undergoing chemotherapy, especially with platinum-based drugs, will develop peripheral neuropathy. It gets better. Acetyl-L-carnitine also protects the nerves from damage due to elevated blood sugar or glucose levels. And it can protect peripheral nerves from damage due to chemical exposure or toxicities like heavy metals. So you might be wondering, how do you get heavy metals in your body? Well, one of the ways you get exposed to heavy metals is if you have silver fillings in your mouth. You also get heavy metal accumulation in the body by eating fish high in mercury, like tuna, mackerel, and orange roughy, or by eating foods sprayed with pesticides. Now, these aren't the only ways to get heavy metal accumulation in the body. You'll also get it by applying mosquito or bug repellent lotions or sprays to your body, and even using bug sprays in your home or around your yard. Using chemicals such as lawn fertilizers will expose you to heavy metals. Also, cooking with aluminum pots and pans will expose you to heavy metal toxicity. And one last thing you ought to know. Did you know that household tap water contains a significant amount of heavy metals? Now, I've just taken you through a lot of information about what to look for on the ingredient label for your nerve support formulas. So let me summarize this for you. The critical ingredients needed to repair and regenerate damaged peripheral nerves and decrease the symptoms are R-alpha lipoic acid, not alpha lipoic acid, benfotiamine, not thiamine, pyridoxal 5-phosphate, not pyridoxine HCl, methylcobalamin, not cyanocobalamin, folate in the form of 5L-methyltetrahydrofolic acid, quatropfolic, or metafolin, not folic acid, L-citrulline, not L-arginine, and acetyl-L-carnitine. This has been a lot of information, but it's only part of what you must know to choose the best quality nerve support formula that will be effective for your peripheral neuropathy. Until we meet again, have a blessed day.